Good morning, class 8. I hope you are well and fine. Today we are going to see about the image. We have seen in the previous two property about the, we can say, two attribute about SRC, and another is the alternate text. Remaining, we have a align, we have a height and width, and we have a CSS property that we will see today only. So come, we will see. So we have a one image LFS here. This is an image that we will change. We will apply it on a web page. Come, we will see how. So first of all, I will open the notepad. Then here I have to write the property HTML. Then we have a head, then we have a title, and the topic is a image attribute. Title is closed, then I will close the head. We will come to the body tag, and here we will make a list of attribute. So attribute of image tag. First we have a SRC. Second we have a alt. Third we have a dimension. Dimension, that means how to set the height and width. If the image is very longer, and we can reduce the size, reduce the height and width. And the fourth one is the align, and the fifth one is the border, how to give the border. So come, we will see these all one by one. Already we have seen about the SRC and alt. So what we have to do, I already told you have to save the source file and the image file both on same location. So my location is a desktop, and here I am writing class 8 lecture3.html. Look here, I will show on the desktop first. Class 8 lecture 3 is there, and image is also there. So the both location is same. So we do not need to worry about the about the locations. Only we need to pass here file name. So what we will do again, come, I will write here image SRC is equal to what is the name of this LFS, and the type of file is JPG. So here we will write lfs.jpg, and I will close the body tag, and then I will close here HTML tag. Now it is saved. Come, we will open into the Chrome. The image is appeared here. This image is very not that much longer, but it is still. So whenever we want to reduce the size means in the form of height and in the form of width, that is called as a dimension. If we need to reduce the image, then we need to reduce the dimensions. Reduce the dimension means we will make it to display the images into the small dimensions. So first of all, I am discuss there are the two way to give the image dimension. First one is in the form of pixels, and another one in the form of percentage. Pixel is a combination of small dots. So if we are writing 100 pixels height and 100 pixel width, that means up to the how much area covered by the 100 dot, that much it will set the height, and up to the how much area covered by vertically it is covered by dot, horizontally how much area covered by the 100 dot, horizontally it is the width. So here, my dear students, we will write here height is equal to 100 pixel, that will covered here vertically, and width is equal to 100 pixels, so it will covered horizontally. Now come here, look here, 100 dots will be placed in that much area, so that is the height and width. If you want to increase it, so you have to write here 400 pixels. If we are writing here 9000 height and 9000 width, so look here. But what is the problem if we are giving in the form of pixels? we will discuss here. Look here, if I am just resizing the windows, web browser window, so look here, the image is hidden, image is not visible. That's why to reduce this problem, we want ki how much area is covered by the web browser. According to that, image will also become adjusted automatically. So here we have to give the value of the height and width in the form of percentage. So here what we will give, suppose I want it may occupy the 20% area of the screen in the form of height, and the 20% area of the screen it may covered by the width of that image. So we have to write here height is equal to 20% and width is equal to 20%. Now look here, it is automatically adjusted. As you will increase the size of the images, the image will automatically, height will change. Look here, the height is being changes. Clear? So this is about the height and width. If you are not getting, so I will do one more thing. I will increase the height into the 40% and width also 40%, so then it is more clear. So come once again, I will open this one into the web browser and see the effects. 40%. Now reduce it. Okay, look here. Now clear, it is being automatic, that is called as a relatively it is automatically adjusted. Clear? So this is an attribute of height and width. You understand what is use of that. Then we have another attributes, that name is align. Align is equal to, what we will do, we have values. First of all, we discuss about the values. Value of align, we have a first left, then second right, then third we have a middle, and the fourth we have a what, top, and the fifth one is the what, bottom. That much value of align with image we can use. Here the image that we are going to display, it is called as a what, inline image. The image that display in the direction of text flow. In the direction of text flow. Text flow means, for example, look here, I have written that much text. Let me to remove or mark as a comment, and here comment is over, nothing. Now I will write here, hello class, how are you? Now look here, this is a text flow directions, means where the text is displaying, there only the image will appear. Image will not appear their own places. Image will appear at the text places where the text is there. If you have display earlier text, earlier images, so first image will come and then the text will come. So look here like that. And if you will delete this one, look. So that is called as an inline image. It display into the text directions. And to make a text into the center, you know that we have a center tag. So here image, if you want to place at the center of the screen, so it cannot be done by using the align attributes. For that we have only one, it is a what, here I may use the center tag. So come, so if you want, the image will place into the right side, so image is equal to right. So look here, the image is right and the text is left. If you want, the image will align to the top, so here what you have to write, align is equal to top. So the image will place to the top of the this one. Top means the text will also align to the top. Look here, Earlier, if you are not using this one, the text is aligned to the what? Bottom. Look. Now, if you have written the image will come to the top of that line, so you have to write here what? Align is equal to top. So the image will go to the top of the line. Same as it is, if you want, image will come to the bottom. So here we will write here what? Equal to bottom. And that one is a what? Left bottom. It is a default image align. Align is equal to what? Left bottom. So look here, same as it is, if you want it may align to the left, so you have to write here left. Clear? If you want it may align to the right, so you have align is equal to right. Okay, now so we have discussed about the height and align. Now we have another properties, and this property is of border. So if you want, my dear students, to display the border, then we have to write here what? Border is equal to the value, and the value will decide the thickness of the border. Now the border is appear. If you want, it may come. So border color is equal to red. So it will come to the what? Red. But here the border color directly we will not apply. So to apply the border color, what we have? We have to use the CSS. What we have to use? CSS. And what is the CSS? Today we will see. So here the image, only one thing is left about the CSS. So throughout the CSS is known as a what? Cascading style sheet, and it can be applied through many ways. First, we can apply throughout the inline style. We can apply throughout the internal style sheet. And the third one is what? External style sheet. Inline means where we are writing the tag. In the form of tag, we will use one attribute, that is a style, that is an inline style. And if you want before the body, you may write the properties how the images has to be displayed. Means before going to display the content, you may set the styles. So that is the internal style sheet. External style is same, only differences between internal and external is that internal we are writing with the same HTML code, and external we are writing separate file for the CSS and separate file for the HTML, but with the internal CSS file and HTML file both are same. So class today only that much. Next class we will see how to apply the inline styles and internal CIs, and what we have in a syllabus border. So we will see the border properties. So thank you class, today only not that much. Thank you. I hope you understand all the things about the height and width. You may do the practice at your home by choosing the images into the left side, right side, see how the appearance it is visible. So thank you class, today only that much.